Okay, girls, so I use Beauty Plus. So let's click over here and I will show you how to use. I do pay for Beauty Plus, so you may see that I will do certain things here that for free you cannot do at home, but you can still do a lot of things for free at home. So I would say for now, use it for free, practice, learn how to use the app, okay? So let's get a picture like this, for example. So what I like to do, you can use the HD retouch, but I think if you have it for free, you cannot use that, but you can smooth her face and see, you can go as smooth as you want. I always try to go a little bit, but not too much, to still look natural. And now we're gonna fix her under eyes over here. So look how cool, they have so many options. So dark circles, so yeah, everything that you have this diamond here, you have to pay for. But look how beautiful. And then we can go here and put a little lipstick on her so she doesn't look so wash off, right? Let's put a little bit. I always try to find something, like you can change the shape of her lips sometimes too. See, that changed a little bit. I always try to find something that's natural, that looks like her, and then you can put a little less if you think it's too much. Has one here that has a little bit of, you know, gloss. I don't know, let's leave this one. You can change the color too. Let's see, brown, any color you want. But let's leave the one that was before. Oh, this one is nice. Let's leave this one, good. Now we can do blush too. So let's go back on makeup, put a little blush on her. Look, just a little bit already goes a long way. She already looks more alive, right? So maybe we do this one. Let me see. This one is good. Now also, we can make her eyes look a little more white inside, so brighten. Good. That's it. Oh, this is cool, right? At least the size doesn't look so big because I took the picture so close. So maybe we do put her head a little further, right? Okay, let's leave this way. Anyway, but look, we got a lot better, right? So that's it. And then, and I also like to go in edit. And then I go all the way here on blur. And the background gets a little fixed, see? So you don't see all the things on the back. And that's it. But you can remove background too. It has a lot of things to learn here. So you're gonna play at home. They have templates that you can, you know, put now her picture over here if you want, see? Or over here. So they have a lot of things for you to play. I don't use a lot of those things. I use more to fix their face so they can look a little nicer. Oh, this is kind of cool, right? Oh, even they did her brows for her already. But anyway, let's go back to where we were. Good. And then you just save. So that's it, guys.